What's the meaning of Crohn's disease? Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease.
Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease is a chronic inflammatory bowel disease that can affect any part of the gastrointestinal tract. The inflammation can lead to various symptoms, such as abdominal pain, diarrhea, rectal bleeding, weight loss, and fatigue. Crohn's disease is caused by a combination of genetic, environmental, and immune system factors. There is currently no known cure for Crohn's disease, but treatments such as medication, dietary changes, and surgery can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life for those affected.